So today I thought I would start off showing you how to paint a simple rose with body paints. I'm using all Mehron Paradise paints. I'll be using paper in this video just to make it a little easier to see. So first you're going to activate your paint with water. Now I'm just taking a regular old round tip brush and making a cloud shape. Then go ahead and fill it all in with a solid color. Next, take the shade that you used to make the cloud shape and fill it in. I'm using red. Then mix it with white until you have 2 shades lighter than the color you used to fill in the cloud-like shape. Take a long detail brush and start in the center of your cloud and make small C's or crescent shapes and slowly expand them outwards. Keep doing this until it looks balanced. Now do the edges with that same lighter shade. Now take that same small detail brush with white and go all over your C shapes to add a highlight. Once this is done, grab a light green paint and take an angled brush. Wet the paint and load the brush up. Take your brush and pat the paint in a half bioconvex shape with a more pointed tip. I'm making 2 for this flower. You can, however, do as many as you want. Next, take that same brush and dip into dark green. Go in and paint spines on the leaf itself. Next, take that small detail brush you were using and paint highlights on the spine of the leaf where you just put the dark green. And that's it, your flower is all done. I hope you enjoyed this simple little flower tutorial. Let me know some other ideas you'd love to see. Alright, thanks!